Hi guys, welcome back to Yumit. Today we're going to be showing you how to make these simple, light and fluffy waffles.
So you will need 240 grams of plain flour, 80 grams of sugar, 75 grams of butter melted, 355 milliliters of warm milk, 2 eggs, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we'll be using this American waffle maker which you can get from Amazon. We'll leave the link down below in the description box, and you can also use our discount code to get 10% off.
Sift your flour and your baking powder into a large mixing bowl, add in your sugar and mix.
In a separate bowl, crack in your 2 eggs and whisk them, and then add in your milk, melted butter and vanilla extract and mix.
Now add your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients and mix until just combined.
Make sure you read the instructions on how to prepare your waffle irons. So as you can see, we're lightly greasing the waffle plates to make sure that nothing sticks.
Now add in your batter so that it's evenly spread out between the waffle plates. We found the easiest way was to put your batter into a jug and pour it in.
You can adjust the heat settings depending on how dark or light you want your waffle.
So leave your waffles to cook for 5 to 7 minutes or until fully cooked through.
So that's it, so simple and easy to make. You can top your waffles with whatever you want. We decided to go with ice cream, blueberries and chocolate sauce.
Thanks so much for watching guys, we really hope you enjoyed that simple and easy recipe for making waffles, and we hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one.